Hey y'all! Today we're going to be going through our June glam bag. Now, I do not have the bag with me. However, I did take video of it so you guys can see. I've already made it very clear I did not like the design that they had for this month. It was just hideous in my opinion. However, I did find someone that did like the design, so I went ahead and just, passed it along to her. So I don't have the physical bag with me now, but I will insert a clip showing you what the bag looks like and the inside and all of that jazz. Now the material wasn't bad. Like, it wasn't made from like a rinky dink material. I just didn't like the design. It wasn't for me. Okay, it wasn't for your girl. Well, your woman. Well, I'm not your woman. I'm not dating you. It wasn't for the woman that I am. I do have the products here. They're all in my little hands right now, and we're just gonna go through them. And now I'm gonna give you a spoiler alert. I did not like this bag. Ipsy has one more chance. They have one more chance with me because it's not good. The bag is just, they're usually giving me like one makeup product that I like, and then the rest is just trash, or they just don't give me anything that I like, and I'm just like trying my best to find something to like, which is not good. Like, I used to look forward to getting my bag because I would have so many cute little goodies in there. Nice little makeup products, maybe a skincare, just cool stuff that I actually look forward to trying. But lately they've been just giving me like body lotion, eye cream, hair stuff, like things I don't want. And they took away the option to say like, hey, give me only skincare. Hey, give me only makeup. Give me a surprise. They took that option away, which I think sucks. I'm continuing to give them my feedback. I let them know that I did not like this bag. I just let them know straight up. I did not like this one. This was a miss. But let's go ahead and get into the bag. I will start off with the least exciting product, and this is by First Aid Beauty. Now, I love First Aid Beauty, but bruh, I don't want body lotion. Okay, I do not want body lotion, especially body lotion in something so small. I have a body, okay? I got a body. This is not going to cover my body. I could use this as a hand cream. This would be a cute little hand cream for my purse. I don't want lotion. Like, if I want lotion, I'll go to Walgreens and get some lotion. I do not want lotion in my makeup subscription. It's so basic. Like, I would rather you give me a perfume. And I don't even like getting perfumes from Ipsy because sometimes they just stink. But let's just be so for real. Who the hell wants hand lotion in their subscription box? Hand lotion is so cheap. Like, you can go to the store and get hand lotion for the low. I do not need it in my subscription box. But here we are. We have First Aid Beauty. I don't have a beef with First Aid Beauty. They have a lot of nice stuff. But hand lotion in my Ipsy? No, ma'am. I do not want that in my Ipsy. So, I mean, this is cool. I think it has a safety seal, so I know nobody's been in it. Fine, I'll just throw this in the pile of other hand lotions I've gotten from Ipsy. And when I run out of the hand lotion that's in my purse, I'll just add another one. But yeah, disappointed. Absolutely disappointed. Let's go to the next least interesting product, and this is a perfecting face serum with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, and this is from Dermalactives. Okay, I like the serum. Serums are nice. I just have so many. So realistically, I'm not going to be getting to this for a very, very long time. I'm just now getting to the end of my Flower Melon. It's like Flower Melon by, I don't even remember, Kira Moon. I think it's Kira Moon. Their Flower Melon serum. I'm just now getting to the end of that. And I already have like 2 giant Tony Moly serums that I need to get through. So realistically, I'm not getting to this unless I go on vacation and then I need to pack a serum. So this is gonna go into the pile. Let me see, is it safety sealed? Yes, safety sealed, which is awesome. We love a good safety seal, which is nice. But yeah, I feel like I wouldn't be so upset if the bag was cute, because then I would at least be like, you know what, I got a good bag out of it. Like last month, the bag was so just chef's kiss beautiful. So I didn't really care that the products weren't that good because I was just happy to get the bag. This time around, like there's nothing, literally nothing. Like there's one thing that I'm a little bit like curious about, and that's just because I haven't had a product like that. And I'll save that for last. The next uninspired, not really into it product that I received was a lip mask. And this is by Nature Well, and it is a vanilla lip mask. And it's nice and safety sealed. It has like the plastic around it. So I'm not gonna open this because I already have another lip mask that I'm using. It's by P. Louise. I wanna get through that first. I'm trying not to open too many products at one time because over, you know, time, it's gonna go bad. And I don't want it to go bad before I can even get to the product. So I'm gonna keep this nice and sealed up. But I mean, this is a decent size for a lip mask. Like realistically, I'll be able to use this a bunch of times and really get a feel for it and see if it, you know, fights the crusties and the dusties, okay? Hopefully this will be a good little thing I can have in my arsenal. But again, lip mask, not that interesting. The next thing, and this one I'm actually okay with, right? I'm happy to have this in my bag. It's not the most exciting thing because it's just an eyeliner, but this is from Kokie Professionals, and this is the Chrome Gel Eyeliner in Flare. And this is what she looks like. I am gonna open this up and see what the color is giving. Okay, and we'll try this out in like a get ready with me. I hate how like the plastic just like sticks to your finger and you're trying to get it off and you're just like, and it just won't go anywhere. So it comes with a cute little sharpener at the end. Ooh, okay, that's pretty. So this is what she's looking like. Excuse my hands, my hands are dry. Maybe I do need that lotion. Maybe I do need that lotion because my hands are dry. Let me just do a little line here. I think this is actually kind of pretty. Okay, yeah. That's pretty. I'm excited for this. I think that's gorgeous. That's gonna look beautiful on the eyes. So you see, like that's pretty. It has a little, you know, little color changing action going. It's not too crazy. Honestly, this might look good on today's look. Let's see. Maybe this will add a little something, or do I not want to do that? You know what? No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna be impulsive because I think today's eye look is eating. I don't want to, you know, ruin it potentially because this is a look. So, I mean, this is cool. Ipsy, more of this. This is nice. Love it. Beautiful. Glad to have it in my bag. Give me more of this. Okay, please, please, can you give me more of this? And now the product that I was most excited about is the product that I chose. And this is the Max Stack, and it is a legit lift lash primer. And the reason why I was excited about this because I've never used a lash primer before. Like I barely have eyelashes. I barely have eyelashes. So I was excited to try something that's going to, you know, do something special to the lashes. This is what the packaging is looking like. I do like the Max Stack brand, right? Like I've tried their mascara and the mascara is hitting. The mascara is that girl. Maybe this will do something special for my lashes. Smells like glue. Yeah, I'm excited to try this out. It's something different. It's something new. I want new Ipsy. I want things that I don't typically get. You know, give me lash primers, you know, lip primers, something that's different, something that I wouldn't normally gravitate to because then I get to try something without breaking the bank. And if it's something that it's going to add to my makeup look, then I will purchase more. But like, if you just give me a bunch of basic stuff like body freaking lotion or a freaking lip mask, bruh, I could just put Vaseline on my lips. I don't need a lip mask. Let's be so for real here. Things like this, things like the eyeliner, beautiful. Loved these two items. I'm gonna give Ipsy another month. And if they don't come correct, what I'm going to do is skip. I'm just gonna skip. If I see that the bag is not super cute, like I have to have the bag, if the bag is just meh, then I will skip it. If the bag is good or if the choices are good, like the, you know, choice that you get for the month, if the choice is good, then maybe I'll get the bag. But at that point, I'll just start skipping. Skip, 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 and just keep it moving from there. That's where I'm at. This month, I'm excited because I know I'm gonna get at least one makeup item that I'm interested in, and I chose the Ace Beauté contour stick. So hopefully they give me a good shade for my skin tone. We'll see. They haven't been the best at giving me the right complexion products, but we will try it out and see if we like her. Ace Beauté, we love Black-owned businesses over here, so I'm excited to try that out. I do have some more of their products, which is awesome. Now, eventually, I do want to go back and get the BoxyCharm. I just don't want to do that right now. I want to get through some of the makeup I already have and purge the rest, and then maybe I can start adopting more products into my collection. I have to organize my collection too. I have them all in like old Ipsy bags. I want to get like acrylic containers that I can put everything in and really organize it. That's what I truly want. But for now, you know, the bags, they work for now. And what I'm thinking I'm gonna do with these bags, my daughter is like super into them. As she gets older, maybe on her birthday, what I'll do, I can just kind of give them to her slowly over the years. You know what I mean? Like I can put little stuff in there, little cute little things for her. And that could be like part of her like yearly present, give her those bags. Just, you know, find another way to repurpose it. Now the bags that I love, I'm gonna keep. Okay, I'm gonna keep the ones that I love. But the other ones, I'm gonna, you know, slowly start giving them away. Okay, they might be presents. I might put presents inside of the bags for the ladies in my life because it's gonna be a little bit too much, a little too excessive. So if you like this content, interact with it. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you were excited about. Are you having some meh feelings about Ipsy as well? Was your glam bag popping and mine just wasn't it? Let me know in the comments below. If you don't really have anything to say, just leave me an emoji. Okay, leave me an emoji, leave me a few dots. It doesn't have to be anything super drawn out, but the more you interact with the content, the more the algorithm, that finicky girlfriend of ours, she will push the content out more the more you interact with it. So like the video, share the video, and also leave me a content. And also leave me a comment. I will see you with the next one. Deuces.